daw mag-upgrade si Sir, umorder siya sa atin itong the project na bar tape, Paisley design. So, it comes in pairs, tapos may par-ins na siya nakasama. And then, umorder din siya nitong ating spacer na the project. So, 5mm, 10mm, and then 15mm. So, meron itong black, and then meron ding polished silver. Set of 3 already. Kumuha din si Sir nitong ating Furia na drop bar. Matte black siya, and then available in size 40, 42, and 44. Ito yung groove niya for palm rest. Comfortable naman siya. 31.8 ang clamping natin. Reach is 70.9. And then the drop is around 118 mm. You can drop by also dito sa shop, the bar tape installed on your handlebars. Yan. Malayo kayo, you can shop sa site natin, bmxcyclecenter.com, or on our Lazada page. Happy weekend and ride safe!
Wait a minute.